guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will teach you how you create a cryptocurrency website in WordPress with the help of Elementor. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. So without wasting further ado, let's begin. Open your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance. Click on Theme and now click on Add New Theme. Upload theme, choose file, select your theme and open. Click on Install now. I will provide you this theme link in the description and pin comment. You can download it from there. Just click on Activate. And now you can see we need a requires plugin. Just click on Being Installing Plugin. And now select all. Click on Install and now apply. Now here you can see there is a critical error. We need to install one by one. Okay, just click on Being Installing Plugin. Now you can see click on Install and hold Control and press Install. So now you can see the plugins successfully installed. Right, just reload this and now select all, click on Activate, click on Apply. Right, the plugin install and activate successfully. Just click on Dashboard. Close this Elementor tab and now click on Appearance. And now here you can see import demo data. Click on it. And now you can see this is a crypto website. You can preview this theme here. Here you can see this one is blockchain theme, right? Just preview it here. And now you can see this is a theme of Bitcoin mining. And here you can see this is one ISO theme, right? You can preview this theme. And if you want the blockchain theme, mining theme or IOC theme, just click on import demo. I just want a blockchain. Just click on import demo. Now click on continue and import. Wait a minute until the importing successfully. So now you can see import complete successfully. Just click on visit website. And now you can see this is a preview of this website. So now we need to edit this header. First, just over this Elementor and click on header. So close this tab. And now you can see this is our header, website header, right? Just click on logo and here you can choose your image. Upload your logo here and select it, right? And here you can see your menu here. Just here you can see just select your menu. You can create a menu here. Go to appearance and now here you can see menu. And you can also create a new menu here. Just create a new menu and click on save icon, right? And you can select the menu here and it's display on the header, right? And now you can see the language. Click on language and here you can see the language. You can add a language code here, right? This is a China flag. So you can see you can add a link here, the China one link here. If you want to delete this tab, just close this, disable, right? And now you can see account option. Here you can see login option. You can add your account registered login link here and paste it here. If you want to delete this, just unshow this check, right? I just use this and click on update. right? Here you can see in the tab bar the header look like this, and now click on mobile, the header look like this, right? Just close this tab. So now just we need to edit our footer section. Here you can see our footer section here. Just hover this edit with Elementor, and now you can see footer one. Just click on it. So now you can see this is a footer. Just click on it, and now you can see the background image here. You can choose your background here, and also you can delete your background here, right? And now you can see newsletter. Here you can see newsletter. You can also add a newsletter shortcode here, right? Widget one, you can see on our blockchain. Here you can see on our blockchain community join, you can paste a join link here, right? Widget 2, quick links, you can add up your page link here, the white paper link here, the one page here, you can also paste a link here. And now the other section is other links. Go to the widget 3, and now you can see this is all the same way. And here you can see widget 4, right? Click on it, and this is also same way. And here you can see copyright area, copyright, just click on it, and now you can change your copyright section here. Yeah, here you can add your website name, like this. Okay, add name, and here you can see your social media icons. Now you can click on it and select the icon Facebook. You can paste your Facebook link here. Here you can see LinkedIn. Here you can paste your LinkedIn link here, and this is also the same way. When you update your footer, just click on publish. Right, the footer and header is updated successfully. Here you can see we added this tab, copyright area, and you can see the edit successfully, right? Now we need to edit our home page here. We need to edit our home page. Just click on edit with Elementor. Close this tab. And now here you can see you can edit your home page here. Just if you want to change your image, background image, you can just choose your image and upload image and select it here, right? And after that, if you want to change your content section, here you can see main heading, the navigating the word of blockchain, and you can also edit your content here. And here you can see buttons. Just click on buttons, and now you can see get started. You can also change a button name here and paste a get started link. And now you can see here button, second button, and white paper. You can also add a white paper link here, right? Features, here you can see features, trustworthy, optimized, secure and safe, tested, right? Just click on it, and now you can see all the icons same here. You can also change your image here, and you can also change the title here. This is all a same way. Just add an image and change your title. Click on publish when you update. Now scroll down, and now you can see here our users option. You can also change your heading here and change your text here, right? Just click on this edit pencil icon, right? And now you can see this is a background. You can also use your background here. And now scroll down, and here you can see this is your user icon here, and here you can see credentials. Here you can see main heading personal. You can change heading here. And now the points, you can also change the points here. Just add a name and add your content here. You can also change your icon here, right? You can also change this one, the security one, right? Is security and easy access and testing, right? And you can also change this one. This is also a same way. You can just add your content here, and now you can see the image here. So if you want to change this image, right, you can just right click on it and click on structure. And now here you can see this column, and you can see image. Here you can see image. You can change your image here. Choose your image and change your image here. Right, scroll down and now you can see the animation. Right, this is the animation, scrolling animation here. Just add your image 1, image 2 and image 3. Right, and you can also add your icon, middle icon here. And now you can see you can change your heading and text here. You can also change your point here. Just click on it, add your point. Right, this is all the same way. Scroll down, add a heading, add a text here. Now you can see the chart here. Alright, features, ID system, creating app confidently without gadget. Right, you can also change a background here. Go down and you can see add table head. This is your table head, this one. Right, just add a name here, add a IDV system here, add a name, change your name. And now you can see table data, add table content. Here you can see this is your content here. You can just add your content. Now you can see add a content. Coin docs, right, is check bar. You can also, if you don't want to add a check, you can just delete this checkbox. Right, and if you want to change this civic, you can also add a civic here. Also change a civic text here, this third one, and here you can see fourth one. Right, scroll down and now just click on heading. You can change your heading, change your text. And now click on this edit icon. Here you can see 1 through 2 3 4. Right, this is a 4 list. You can also change your list here. Just click on first one, add icon library and add your heading, add your text here. Second one is the same way, and third one is the same way, and fourth one is also same way. Just click on this image, add your image, first image, second image, third image and fourth image. Right, and also add your icon here. Scroll down and now you can see live token marking update. You can add your heading, text here. And now click on this section. You can also change your heading here. Now click on this chart. Right, you can see token name, add your token name here. And now you can see nominal price. You can also add a nominal price here. The second one, nominal price, here you can see, and add a USDT price. Right, this is all the same way, and this is also a same way. Just click on it and add your content here. Right, scroll down and now click on it, our dedicated team. Add your heading here, add your text here. And now you can add your team mate image. So scroll down, add your image here. Right, scroll down, add your name and add a designation. Right, if you want to add a social media icon, here you can see when I hover this tab, the icon is showing here. So you can, if you want to add your icon in the left section, you can just click on add item. Here you can see the one is empty. You need to select a icon here, LinkedIn as insert. Here you can see in the third section you can add your icons. Here is like this. And if you want to add icon in the right side, you can just add item here and add it here. This is all the same way. You can add your image, add your teammate image and add a name, designation and social media. And here you can see 5-star. You can add a 5-star here, use a 4. Here you can see you can use 4. If you want to add 10, you can add up 10. Right, scroll down and now you can see, click on it and blockchain, choose your icon here, add your heading, add a text and add a second text. Click on it, add your content. Here you can see this is the image. You can add your image here. Right, click on it and select your image. Here you can see roadmap. Click on it, adding here, add a content here. First roadmap, scroll down, choose your background image. Here you can see the second image. And now you can see add list. Right, click on it and here you can see add your list. Stage 1 Q constant 1 2023. You can add a 2025 and add a point here. Right, and the second one, here you can second stage, just add your second stage here. the third stage, the fourth stage, and 5, 6th. If you want to add more, just copy this tab. If you want to add more, just copy this tab, right? I just close this and now scroll down, and here you can see frequently asked question here. Just add a heading here, add your content here. Now you can see this is your question and answer, frequently question and answer. Just if you want to add the first one, just click on it, the first one, add your question here and place your answer here. Here you can see this is all the same way. Scroll down and now you can see our partners. You can add your partner's logo here. Just click on it, add your partner logo, and also add your partner logo link here. You can also add more. If you want to add more, you can also add up your partner here, right? Scroll down and now you can see our header here. Just if you add up your changes in the home page, just click on publish, right? Preview this page. Now you can see your changes will be applied. This is the video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.